Epilepsy. Epilepsy, it is a disorder mainly occurred by the disturbances in the nerve cells. This is mainly caused by the low levels of the oxygen or low availability of the oxygen in the birth, brain tumor, genetically inherited. These are the causes of the epilepsy. Epilepsy, it is also called as seizures. There are three mechanisms are involved in the treatment of the epilepsy. They are enhancement of GABA action, inhibition of sodium channel function, and inhibition of calcium channel function. These three mechanisms are mainly reduces or inhibits the neuronal excitability. So first one is enhancement of GABA action. GABA is already synthesized in our body. Why we are required other source are in the form of drugs? Because the GABA is synthesized in the body by the glutamate. GABA is the inhibitory neurotransmitter. It is synthesized from the glutamate. It is an excitatory neurotransmitter. This process is occur at the presynaptic region, and finally it reaches the synaptic cleft, and in this region the availability of the GABA is reduced because some degradation is occurred between this process by the GABA transaminase. GABA transaminase degrades the GABA before reaching the synaptic cleft. Not only GABA transaminase, GABA transporter uptake mechanism is also degrades the availability of the GABA. So availability of the GABA reduces, and finally the action on the GABA A and GABA B receptors are also reduces. Mainly the inhibitory activity of the GABA is by the acting on the GABA A receptors. Then the chloride channel is facilitated. Finally the enhancement of inhibitory activity is observed. But in this condition, low levels of the GABA is observed due to the GABA transaminase and GABA transporter uptake mechanisms. So finally the inhibitory activity of the GABA is reduced. In that condition, the neuronal excitability is not treated. So some amount of the GABA is needed from the outside of the or any from the resources like drugs. Different types of the drugs are involved in the enhancement of GABA activity. They are barbiturates and benzodiazepines. These are shows the agonistic activity on the GABA A receptors, and they facilitate the chloride channels, enhancement of the chloride influx that leads to the enhancement of inhibitory activity. Finally reduces the neuronal excitability. In that way it is helpful for the treatment of epilepsy. And other drugs involved in the enhancement of GABA activity are inhibition of GABA transaminase GABA reuptake mechanism. This GABA transaminase enzyme, it involved in the degradation of GABA. GABA transporter reuptake mechanisms, these are also involved in the degradation mechanisms. If these processes are stopped or blocked for definite time, the availability of the GABA may increase and influx of the chloride ions are also increases, finally reduces the neuronal excitability. So this is the mechanism involved in the reduction of neuronal excitability, finally used for the treatment of epilepsy. This is the first mechanism, that is enhancement of GABA inhibitory activity. And second mechanism is inhibition of sodium channel function. Mainly this sodium channel function is inhibited by the phenytoin and carbamazepine. These are the mainly block the influx, mainly block the voltage gated sodium channels. So finally the neuronal excitability is reduced because these sodium and calcium channels are shows the excitatory activity. So by blocking or inhibiting these channels, we are getting the are relieved from the epilepsy. Other mechanism is inhibition of the calcium channels. These calcium channels present in the brain are the T type of the calcium channels. T type of the calcium channels are blocked by the ethosuximide drug. Mainly this drug is helpful for the treatment of different types of epilepsies are there. Maximum epilepsy condition is treated by the ethosuximide. So these mainly the calcium T type of the calcium channels are blocked by the anti-epileptic drugs. Other drugs are also there, that is valproic acid. It shows the both the blockade of sodium channels as well as calcium channels. So finally we are getting a one point, that is mainly all the epileptic drugs are helpful for the reducing the neuronal excitability. So by reducing the neuronal excitability, we are relieved from the epilepsy. Okay. Thank you.